recent news report suggests that Jahvillani, whose real name is Jahvillani'S, has now become the richest man in dancehall. That's a pretty bold claim to make, especially since there are so many other artists in dancehall that are popular, touring, and even crossing over into the pop culture mainstream. But what is Jahvillani'S net worth? Let's take a look at what we know about this new claim. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And do remember to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Jahvillani'S was born in 1984 in Jamaica. He is considered a multifaceted artist and currently calls Montego Bay and the St. Anne home. He graduated from Richest High School in 2011 and began recording music 4 years after his graduation. He is best known for his hits like Clark's Pond Foot, No Reason, and Rubber Band. Despite his hits, he has yet to be able to break into the mainstream of the music industry. Yet he is still mega successful in the dancehall community. His work with industry favorites Telvino and Sassane, who are producers who perhaps single-handedly define the St. Anne dancehall sound, also helped Jahvillani develop a sound of his own as well. At just 24 years old, Jahvillani claims to be worth more than 107 million. He took to his Instagram stories to announce his impressive feat, although his Wikipedia page also made clear that this net worth is under review. It's also not clear if Jahvillani is worth 107 million in US dollars or Jamaican dollars. Jahvillani suggested that he was well flush in the money thanks to his 2019 hit song, Rubber Band. The song was produced by Chimney Records and released from Aircraft Rhythm. You can check it out in the description below. It was recently advertised that Jahvillani and other artists like Intense and Iwater would be performing at Alkaline's New Rules Music Festival. But the festival has now been postponed over COVID-19 concerns. We of course will keep you posted when a new date has been announced. Sadly, even though Jahvillani'S net worth suggests that he may be the richest man in dancehall, he is not without his controversy. Last July, Jahvillani performed at Reggae Sumfest, and his performance was so explicit that he ended up shutting down the festival. Many of the artists in attendance chided him for his profane performance as well. The performance was very weak. Learn to do some good songs and that will give you some longevity and stop the murder music and the bad word cursing, Carter Mike said about the controversial performance, a part of which you can see below in the links. But Jahvillani had the perfect message for his detractors. Me a one youth when I trouble people, me a humble piece of youth. Everything what I have, I'ma work hard for that. Nobody never give me nothing, and me never beg nobody nothing. That's why them gang up a fight, man, he said on his Instagram page. Well, I will definitely keep you posted on Jahvillani'S net worth as I get more details. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you found this video interesting or informative. If so, please leave a like or give it a thumbs up. And remember, you can subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button. And turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. I am Alex. Bless.
To slow the spread of this unprecedented and challenging health pandemic, we urge you near and far to observe the many calls for social distancing. We're doing the same, and we look forward to when next